to get a new key from Honda lock. At first, we had to disassemble the lock. And then insert the key that's cut into the lock. Now let's find the corresponding position for each locking wafer. Group A has only 3 wafers. The rest of wafers is Group B. Group B is on the other side of the key. Only 5 wafers. We find all positions each wafer. And now how to get key biddings. Here we have to remove the wafer from the lock. And there is figure on the wafer. And then we put down the figures for wafers. 3, 5, 1. Let's watch the Group B. 4, 5, 5, 6, 3. There are 8 wafers in the lock. So what about the rest? We used to M2Tank CNC key cutting machine to get this key. Connect the machine by Bluetooth at first. And then we'll look for the vehicle. Enter vehicle data. This is Honda, so we found letter H. And we click Honda. We'll find out CRV. Select HON66. Click the first one. We will install the key blank on the machine. We input the key biddings on the application. Only 8 positions. How to solve the rest? Here we click Find Biddings. We selected Honda. Here 2 key biddings appeared. We'll try the first one, and then click Cut. The first key biddings was finished, and let's try it. We found one position is not correct. This time, we'll try the second option. Only one bidding is different. Here we use On Bidding Cut. We move the position to the 5th space, and then click Select this bidding. Finally, click a Cut, and click a Continue. The machine only changes depth on single position. This is second option. Let's try it. It's perfect cutting.